Today we will be drawing our self-portrait. A self-portrait is a picture of yourself. First, we are going to draw a circle for the shape of the head. Find the middle of your paper and draw a big circle. You want the circle to be larger because you need to fit your eyes, nose, and mouth. After you draw the circle, we're going to draw our neck. Now this portrait is just going to be from our head to our shoulders. We won't be drawing our entire body. Draw 2 lines on each side and connect it with a curved line. Now we will add shoulders. Curve your line coming out and touch the edge of your paper, and on the other side, do the same thing. Inside, you will draw 2 lines coming straight down. 1, and a line going across for the sleeve, that's the arm, and on the other side, draw a line coming down and a line going across for a sleeve. Go back up to the head and find the center and go to the very edge. You're going to draw 2 curved lines for ears, 1 and 2. In the middle of the head, draw a nose. You can draw a curved hump like this, or you can draw your nose in another way. Just pick the way that you like best. Draw a big curve for a smile. And just above the nose, draw 2 circles, 1 and 2. Draw a curved line on top of the circle and another curved line on top of the circle. Now you can add a detail like eyebrows or eyelashes. If you have freckles, you may also draw some small dots on your cheeks. If you're a girl and would like to add earrings, you may do that as well. Now for hair. A boy's hair is typically short and a girl's hair is typically longer. For long hair, go all the way around the ears and stop. Now if you're a boy and you have shorter hair, we don't want to draw our hair long, but if you have long hair and you're a boy, you can draw it long. For boy hair, go to the corner of the ear and come up, over, and around. If you have spiky hair, do a little zigzag. If you have wavy hair, do it again, but this time make your line wavy. Like this. And if you have curly hair, you can do curly, swirly lines. For a ponytail, connect those lines from corner to the ear and add a little hair tie, an S, and then connect to the side of your head. That would be for a ponytail. When you're done drawing, you need to outline everything you just did in marker. We are using Sharpies, so all the pencil lines need to be traced with a Sharpie. Nose, mouth, ears, and eyes. Now it's time to color in. Once you've outlined, pick a skin tone. It can be brown, peach, tan, and color in the inside of your face using a crayon. Also, color your arms and your neck. All of your skin needs to be colored in with a crayon. After you color in your skin, choose a color for your hair: brown, blonde, red, black. Once the hair is done, pick a color for your shirt. You can choose many different colors. You can color things in differently. You can add a design. You can draw a character. Color it all in. Check it over and see if you forgot to color something. Whoops, I forgot to color my arms, so I'm fixing that. Now for your background, you can draw whatever you want. I'm adding little tiny hearts, and I'm also going to draw my name with a white crayon. You'll see what happens next. I'm drawing the name Joy, so let's say this person is Joy. Her name is done in white. When you take paint and cover it, it will pop out. When the water goes over crayon, it resists, and you can see it through. So everything that you paint over with paint won't cover up the crayon you just did. It's called a resist. Once you're done painting your background, take it to the drying rack to dry. Then your self-portrait is complete.